How to use CRM Enterprise properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. CRM Enterprise is a robust platform designed to streamline sales, manage pipelines, and improve team collaboration. But most beginners get it wrong, and that can cost both time and revenue. The surprising truth is that simply inputting data isn't enough to maximize its potential. One of the first mistakes is neglecting workflow automation. CRM Enterprise allows you to automate repetitive tasks like follow-up reminders, lead assignments, and pipeline updates. Beginners often continue manual processes, losing hours each week. For example, setting up automated lead scoring ensures your sales team focuses on the most promising opportunities first. Another common error is ignoring reporting and analytics features. CRM provides detailed dashboards for sales performance, conversion rates, and pipeline health. Without monitoring these insights, it's easy to miss trends, underperforming reps, or stalled deals. Leveraging these reports helps make informed decisions and predict revenue more accurately. Many users also fail to customize fields and stages to match their sales process. The default pipeline may not fit your business, which can cause confusion and data inaccuracies. Tailoring your stages ensures every lead and deal is tracked consistently, reducing errors and improving forecasting. Integration mistakes are also costly. CRM Enterprise connects with email platforms, marketing automation tools, and customer support systems. Beginners often overlook these connections, leading to disjointed workflows and missed customer touchpoints. Finally, insufficient training is a major hurdle. Even with a powerful tool, teams that aren't trained on features like task assignment, notes, and collaboration miss out on efficiency gains. Regular onboarding and refresher sessions can prevent this. To use CRM Enterprise properly, automate workflows, utilize reporting, customize your pipeline, integrate with other tools, and invest in team training. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your CRM drives productivity, improves sales outcomes, and keeps your business running smoothly.